And the race is on. Ravishing Rafi from the outside is Prince Carlo. Furiously eager, rising up in between runners. Furiously eager, ravishing Rafi. Prince Carlo, Dayang, Thrill of Victory. Salazam is racing 6 by Daryl Maricor's champ getting personal. Big Taboom, while Yotero is running at the tail of the field by about 9 or 10 lengths of the leader and going to along for the first turn. Furiously eager, Violent Canal, followed by Ravishing Rafi. Dayang racing third from the outside by Daryl Prince Carlo. Thrill of Victory is running in fifth by some 4 lengths, rushing up his pick. Taboom, Salazam, Danoni inside, Maricor, Yotero second last, and getting personal is now running at the tail of the field. Furiously eager, Violent Canap, ravishing Rafi from the outside. Dayang, Prince Carlo, Thrill of Victory, pick. Taboom is racing in fifth now in this moment. At furiously eager, ravishing Rafi is still running in second. And racing third, Prince Carlo, pick. Taboom, Dayang, Thrill of Victory, Maricor, Stamsala, Samyotero, getting personal as they swing for home. Furiously eager, still leading by Lincoln up. Ravishing Rafi on the outside, pick the boom, and Thrill of Victory. Furiously eager, Ravishing Rafi